Hello viewers, I welcome you to today's tutorials on Microsoft Excel. My name is Daniel Ogbenyi. Today we will be treating formula, imputing formulas in your Excel spreadsheet. As you can see here, these are the various formulas for summation, to round up your data, for subtraction, to look for maximum, here to look for minimum, here to look for your count, and here for the average. Okay, as you can see, this is an already made table for today's tutorial. You see the date, the income, expenditure, and profit. We want to look for the summation of this, our income. That's why you see this total. So how do we get the summation? If we have to total, how do we get the summation? Applying this particular formula equals to sum B2 column B5. If we apply it here, we get the result equals to sum bracket open B2 column B5 bracket closed. You press the enter key from your keyboard. That is it. So this is the value of the summation of this range from B2 to B5. Okay, there's another type of summation. If you can notice, there's a comma here, while here is a column. The difference is that here you want to sum up the range from B2 to B5, but here you only want to sum B2 and B5. So now, how do we go about it? Let's delete this detail here for us to understand. For you to delete a formula in a particular cell, you go to the formula bar, you click it. So it is from the formula bar you can now edit or you delete, as the case may be. So now I can still type the same formula here on the formula bar and it will still give me the same result, or I can still type it here. So let's type it here. We have minus equals to sum bracket open B2 comma B5 bracket close, enter. Are you saying? So this is only the summation of B2 and B5. That is this B2 55,000 and this B5 about 6 million plus. Okay, so if you 654 million plus. So if you sum it all, if you sum this B2 and B5 together, it gives you the data below. Now let's go to the average. How do you look for the average? This is the formula you use for the average. So let's impute it here. You have equals to average B2 B5, enter. So this is the value of your average. The average here means that you are looking for the average within this range from the B2 to B5. Now let's check the maximum from this B2 to B5. The importance of this maximum formula is that it will identify the highest value from this range. So in case you have a large data and you want to check out the largest value, you make use of this formula. So let's input it. We'll use this, which is equals to max bracket open B2 column B5 bracket close, enter. So this is that's giving us the maximum value from this data. So now we want to check for the minimum value also. We make use of this, equals to main bracket open B2 column B5. So it has given us the minimum value from this range of cells. Okay, now the count here enables us to know the number of figures or number of figures in a range of cells. You understand? For instance, from this B2 to B5, we want to know the number of figures we have in this range of cell. If you count it, is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is 4. So let's apply the count formula and see if it will still give us this 4. Equals to count open, you select the range B2 to B5. Okay, can you see it has given us 4? So that is the essence of the count. Now coming to subtraction, you see subtraction B2 minus C2, which implies that we want to subtract this value from this value, the expenditure from the income. So when we apply it, equals to B2 minus C2. Okay, enter. So this is the value for your subtraction. Always remember that your formula starts with equals to. So for this round, let's come to this. You use the formula for this for round. So this is what we want to work on. We want to round it up to the nearest decimal place. Okay, we are having like 89.5675. So this formula shows f3 comma 2. That is, for this f3, round it up to the two decimal place. We want to round it up to 2 decimal place. So when we apply it, we'll see what the result will be. Equals to round f2 f3 comma 2. So this is the value when you round it up to 2 decimal places. So 89.567 will give you 89.57. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorials. The channel, subscribe and share it. Thank you for watching. I remain Daniel Ogbeyin.